everyone. We all know that Canva has been the choice of graphic designers, creators, and many more for years now. But the latest news is that Canva has introduced its most awaited feature of AI tools. Now, you can now convert your text into images, erase an object in an image and replace it with an object of your choice, create presentations of your choice with just a single prompt, and apart all, you can also generate AI presenters. Watch this video till the end to know all about Canva's new AI tools. I'm Aparna Singh from LearnWoo, and let's get started. Let's first start with the text-to-image feature. Now, this is a great replacement for DALL-E 2 text-to-image generator. With this new AI feature, you don't need to switch between apps and websites to generate images. It can now be done in Canva itself. For that, simply go to Canva's website. From the left panel, go to Apps. Here on the search bar, search text-to-image. Once the app appears, it looks something like this. Now click on it. Now you can use it in an existing design or in a new design. Let me just click on new design. Now from the drop down, select the design that you want, whether you want it for a video, document, presentation, etc. Now I'll select banner. Once clicked, the banner editing page will open. Now here on the left hand side, you can see text to image has opened. Now here in this box, describe how you want your image to be like, or you can simply try any example from the options here. Let me just click on try an example. Now the prompt is entered. Next from here, select the style of the image that you want it to be like. Click on see all to view all the style options and select the style of your choice. Next from here, select the aspect ratio of the image, whether you want it to be in landscape, square or portrait mode. Once done, click create your image. Now Canva AI will generate 4 image options for you. And if you didn't get any image of your choice, you can also change the prompt or style of the image, or also change both from here and create the images again. Once you get the image of your choice, click on it and it will come on the whiteboard here. Make the adjustments according to your requirement. Like you can edit the photo from here. You can also flip the photo or animate it. Or change the transparency percentage from here. Once all the changes are made, it's done. Simply export it from the share option here. Next, let's see how you can erase any object in your photo and replace it with any other object of your choice. For that, simply go to Canva's website, upload an image from the upload option here. Now click on use in a design and select the design in which you want the image to be. Like we did in the previous feature, I'll select banner here too. Once done, it will open the editing page of that image. Now click on the edit photo from here. Next, click on magic eraser. Once you click on magic eraser, you'll get a brush. Use that brush and highlight on the object you want to remove. Once you have highlighted the object will automatically be erased. But in case you want to erase an object and also replace that object with something else, just go back to this photo edit option and select magic edit. Just like magic erase, highlight the object you want to remove. You can also adjust the size of the brush from here. Here I'll remove this object and replace it with a small flower pot. Now highlight the object. Next from the left side here, click continue. Here describe about the object that you want instead, or just select any of the given examples. Once done, click generate. Now it will give you 4 image options. You can preview it by selecting each and seeing which image suits the best. Or you can also generate the results again from the option here. Once you get the image of your choice, click on Done. Now make adjustments like mentioned in the previous feature. And once done, simply export the image from the Share option here. The next new AI feature in Canva is Magic Design. Well, it is one of the most useful features if you struggle with making a presentation and need to spend hours making it. With this feature, you can easily give prompts and make a presentation of your choice in just a few clicks. For that, go to Canva's website, click on Presentation here. Now select the aspect ratio in which you want the presentation to be. Once the editor opens, here in the left panel, you can see that we are getting an option Magic Design. Now click on it. You'll get a pop-up message like this. Now here in this box, describe in 5 or more words the topic on which you want to make the presentation, or simply try an example from here. Once done, click Generate. Now select the style of your presentation from here. Click on See More to get more style options from your collection, or just select any of the template style given for the presentation. Once done with all that, click Create My Presentation. Now the presentation template of our choice will be exported to the editing page. From here, you can go to each page and make the changes if you want any. And once done, simply export the presentation from the Share option here. Now click Download. Select the file type and download it from here. The next AI feature is one of the most interesting features introduced by Canva in its AI features, and that is AI Presenter. So now you can make video content with an AI presenter without the trouble of shooting, video editing, and etc. For that, simply go to Canva's website. From the left panel, go to Apps. Here on the search bar, search DID AI Presenters. Once the app appears, it looks something like this. Click on it. Now you can use it in an existing design or in a new design. Let me just click on New Design. Now from the drop down, select the design, whether you want it for a video, document, presentation, banner, etc. Now here I'll select video for this. Once clicked, the video design editing page will open. Now here on the left hand side, you will see DID AI Presenters has opened. From here, choose the presenter of your choice. Click See More to get all the options. Next, here give the entire speech that you want to be presented by the AI presenter. Next, click here and from the drop down, select the language you want the content to be in. Then select the voice. You get plenty of options here. And from here, select the style of the speech, whether you want it to be friendly, sad, angry, etc. Once done, you can preview the speech from the option here. However, if you already have an existing audio, you can simply click on Upload Audio here and upload the audio file here. Once done, click Generate Presenter. Here in the brackets, you can see the credits that it will cost you to generate this presenter. However, it may change according to the choice of the language, style, and voice. Now click on Generate Presenter. Click on Connect. Now it will open a tab where you need to sign up or sign in to DID AI Presenter account. Once your DID AI Presenter account is connected, your AI Presenter will be generated, or you will get an option like this here. Click this link to be redirected to DID AI Presenter's pricing page. Then select your plan from here and buy your credits. Once done, go back to Canva where we left and click on Generate. And your AI presenter will be successfully generated. And that was all. So this was all about Canva's new AI tools. Do let us know in the comments section which of these tools you found to be the best. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.